How to replace the tension studs and idler drum. If your tension studs or idler drum have been damaged, you will need to replace them. First, remove the external scrapers, belt and tail drum assembly. Go to our YouTube channel to watch videos on how to do this. To remove the tail or idler drum assembly, lift the handles and pull out the assembly. To remove the tension stud bolts, unscrew the 12mm nylock nuts. There is one on each stud bar. Unscrew the tension stud bolts. This will release the drum. If you only need to replace one stud bolt, there is no need to remove both. If you need to replace the drum, remove both stud bolts. To reassemble it, stand up both side plates and lift the drum into place between them. Insert the tension stud bolts and screw them into position. To tighten the tension stud bolts, hold the nylock on the back of the stud bar with a 19mm spanner. With a ratchet, tighten the stud bolts from the front until there are 3 threads protruding from the nylock nuts at the back. Lastly, replace the tail drum assembly by sliding it back into the end of the conveyor. Then replace the belt and external scrapers. Track and tension the belt. It is now ready to use.